If your Evernote trash is full and you want to permanently clear it out, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to empty Evernote trash on desktop and web in just a few quick steps. This is a simple cleanup process, but it's important because once you empty the trash, those notes are gone for good. So before you continue, make sure there isn't anything you still need to restore. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote on your desktop or in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar. You'll want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of that sidebar. Evernote usually keeps the trash section near the bottom, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. If you spot trash, click it. If you don't see it immediately, click more first to expand the sidebar options and then look again for trash. Once you click trash, Evernote will show you all of the notes and items that have been deleted but are still stored there temporarily. Now take a quick look through the trash if you want to make sure nothing important is still inside. This is your last chance to recover anything before permanent deletion. When you're ready to completely clear it, look at the top right corner of the note list. There you should see the empty trash button. Click empty trash and Evernote will warn you that this action permanently deletes everything inside the trash. This is an important step because it means the notes cannot be restored afterward. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm the pop-up warning. Depending on your version of Evernote, you may need to click a confirmation button such as empty or OK. Once you confirm, Evernote will begin deleting everything from the trash. After a moment, the trash will be empty and your account will be a little cleaner and easier to manage. That's it. You've successfully emptied the Evernote trash. This is a great habit if you want to keep your workspace organized, remove old deleted notes, and free up clutter inside your account. Just remember to always double check before confirming because permanent deletion cannot be undone. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.